Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel MLT Super Guide. In this video, I am going to discuss Blood Bank Multiple Choice Questions Part 1, which contains 1 to 15 questions. This is very important for Kerala PSC examination and also for other competitive examinations. If you are a new viewer of my channel, please go through my previous videos. If you like this video, please subscribe and share to your friends. Let's move on to the questions. First question. Chemically, the red cell antigens are lipids, glycoproteins, lipoproteins, both A and B. Here the right answer is option D, both A and B. Chemically, the red cell antigens are lipids and glycoproteins in nature. Next question. Agglutinins refer to antibodies, antigens, proteins, none. Here the right answer is option A, antibodies. Agglutinins refer to antibodies. An antibody, also known as an immunoglobulin, is a large Y-shaped protein used by the immune system to identify and neutralize foreign objects such as pathogenic bacteria and viruses. The antibody recognizes a unique molecule of the pathogen called an antigen. Next question. H substance is present in A, B, AB, all. Here the right answer is option D. H substance is present in all blood groups. It is a polysaccharide precursor molecule which is used to make the antigens on the surface of human blood cells that are classified in the ABO blood group system. Next question. A Bombay group person can receive only A, B, O, none. Here the right answer is option D, none. The Bombay blood group is a rare blood group. Phenotypes of this group lack H antigen on the red cell membrane and have anti-H in the serum. It fails to express any A, B or H antigen on their red cells or other tissues. Next question. ABH antigen is present in RBC, epithelial tissues, lymphocytes, all of the above. Here the right answer is option D. ABH antigen is present in all of the above. Next question. The RH system of blood grouping was introduced by Karl Landsteiner, William Harvey, Edward Jenner, none. Here the right answer is option A. The RH system of blood grouping was introduced by Karl Landsteiner. Since the time, a number of distinct RH antigens have been identified, but the first and most common one called RHD. Next question. Rejuvenation of a unit of red blood cell is a method used to inactivate viruses, remove debris, remove antibody attached to RBCs, restore 2,3-DPG and ATP to normal levels. Here the right answer is option D. Rejuvenation of a unit of red blood cell is a method used to restore 2,3-DPG and ATP to normal levels. RBC rejuvenation is a method used to increase levels of 2,3-DPG and ATP in RBCs. This process requires incubating the RBCs with a rejuvenation solution and subsequent washing. Standard blood bank protocols using a COP 2991 cell processor, which require several hours of preparation. Next question. Which of the following is the correct storage temperature for the component? Fresh frozen plasma or FFP minus 20 degrees Celsius, platelets 37 degrees Celsius, RBCs 40 degrees Celsius, cryoprecipitate 2 degrees Celsius. Here the right answer is option A. Fresh frozen plasma or FFP minus 20 degrees Celsius. FFP is a blood product made from the liquid portion of whole blood. It is used to treat conditions in which there are low blood clotting factors or low levels of other blood proteins. It may also be used as a replacement fluid in plasma exchange. Next question. Minimum time interval between two apheresis procedures. 48 hours, 2 weeks, 4 weeks, 72 hours. Here the right answer is option A. Minimum time interval between two apheresis procedures is 48 hours. Apheresis may be used for the collection of donor blood components or for the removal of parts of the blood that might contain disease-provoking elements. Apheresis may be used in the treatment of blood cancers and a range of other blood disorders. Next question. Glycerol. It is a penetrating cryoprecipitate. Can coat the red cells. It is a non-penetrating cryoprecipitate. All. Here the right answer is option A. Glycerol. It is a penetrating cryoprecipitate. Next question. The minimum hemoglobin concentration in a finger stick from a male blood donor is 12 gram per deciliter, 12.5 gram per deciliter, 13.5 gram per deciliter, 15 gram per deciliter. Here the right answer is option B, 12.5 gram per deciliter. Next question. Commonest complication of blood transfusion due to WBC is in stored blood. Urticaria, febrile non-hemolytic transfusion reaction, transfusion-induced acute lung injury, anaphylaxis. Here the right answer is option B, febrile non-hemolytic transfusion reaction. Next question. The minimum acceptable hematocrit for an autologous blood donor is 32%, 35%, 33%, 30%. Here the right answer is option C. The minimum acceptable hematocrit for an autologous blood donor is 33%. Next question. An individual who has recently been diagnosed with syphilis is deferred for 1 year, 4 weeks, 2 weeks, none. Here the right answer is option A, 1 year. If an individual is diagnosed syphilis positive, he cannot donate blood till 1 year. Next question. Fresh frozen plasma can be utilized till 40 days, 1 year, 12 hours, 6 hours. Here the right answer is option B, 1 year. Fresh frozen plasma can be utilized till 1 year. If you like this video, please subscribe and share. Thank you.